What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some good news. I finally got the parts back from paint, which was yesterday, and I got stuck in traffic for so long. You guys were following my Instagram story and it sucked, so I didn't want to put it on. But today is early in the morning. It is roughly 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. and we're gonna put the bumpers on, and here they are. They did an amazing job compared to the shop that did my wing. Look at that. Super nice. And I forgot, this bumper does use brackets, which I have over there, and I didn't send it to them when I got it painted, so that is gonna get rattle can, color match, and slap it on. But I think the brackets are black. Yeah, they're black. So that's cool, but check that out. Looks so sick. Same with the rear bumper. God damn. And it does match really, really well. Alright. So I'm really excited. I did say in the last video that I was gonna be using quick latches for the bumpers, and I actually did get them. There are these little things right here. So how they work is you push the button, it comes out, and it has like a little thing like that, little ball. And then when you want to put your bumper back on, you push it down. That's it. So we're gonna be using those. I'm gonna put it on the side of the bumpers, not on the OEM one, but on that bumper, because this bumper sits a tad bit lower, and my driveway is ridiculous. Like, you guys have not seen my driveway. Well, I don't really show my driveway. But my driveway is super steep, and that's how I actually destroyed my spoon lip, was because of my driveway. Leaving and coming in with the spoon lip, it literally cracked before I even before my tire even touched the driveway. We're just gonna quick latch those so they could come off whenever I leave my driveway. But besides that, everywhere else, it will not scrape, just like my spoon lip. Everywhere else, it was perfect. It's just my driveway is stupid, ridiculously high, because the city decided to repair it or resurface it and made it like super steep. So that kind of sucked. But yeah, I'm just gonna push the car out a little bit and then take out the front bumper. We're gonna do the front bumper first. We're gonna put it up. I'll do the quick latches after, and then we'll put the rear bumper on. I know on the rear bumper I still have to drill the hole out a little bit, and I didn't do that before I sent it to paint, but it's fine. So let's get it going. I have the bumper off, and I might have to adjust probably this bracket up a little bit, or just bend it back up, and it should be good from there. Alright, and then the bumper, I had to not even cut it because it clears underneath here and everything on the tuck radiator. I still need to relocate this white wire, but the fan turns on and everything, so I haven't really decided on taking it off. And also all this right here, the AC harness and everything, I need to get rid of all that, so I might do that sometime, maybe sometime this week or something. We'll see. Oh my god, guys, I'm beyond shocked at how good it looks right now. I should have got the same paint match a long time ago, and goddamn. Oh boy, that looks fucking fire, man. Dude, that looks so good. Oh my god. I'm a loss for words right now, and goddamn, I should have got this painted a long ass time ago. And this, I didn't even mount it up yet. I didn't mount up to any of the mounting points. Oh my god. And let me make that wheel straight real quick. Wow, that looks so good, bro. Fuck. It's just one of those things where you sit down on a stool and just think about it. Oh my god, that looks so good. I don't know what to say. Oh my god, that thing looks so bomb. Alright, but yeah, look. That thing flows so well with the 16s. God damn, bro. Wow, they killed it. The paint shop killed it. And there's my intercooler, guys. I'm actually gonna be running a front plate right here, but it's gonna be tucked right here, the bracket. So whenever I want to mount it, I just pull it down and then mount the bracket or mount the license plate, because cars don't know to get pulled over for no front plates all the time. My dad actually got pulled over like last week for no front plate on his car, and yeah, but the cop let him go. But I'm still gonna put the front plate on, and yep. But woo, boy. Oh, looks like they have some leftover tape here that I have no nails for. Okay, come on. I'll just use a pick for that, but oh my god, that thing came out so good. Oh my god. What do you guys think, man? Like this video, you guys think is sick, and I think it's sick. Oh my god, that looks so good. Sorry guys, I'm just like, I'm speechless right now because that thing looks so good. Damn, and I kind of don't even want to use these, but I was generally gonna have it right here, or at least like right. I'll figure out later, but that thing looks so good. Oh my god. All right, onto the rear now. Oh my god. The rear, I have to take off the rear bumper and take off my wheels because there's no way I can fit a screwdriver in there because of the fitment. So I take that off. But also one thing is on the Cwest, it's a bit more beefier. You guys can see down here. So I have to cut this all off so my tire does not rub on it. Because if you don't cut that off, it's gonna rub it. And yeah, so like this right here has already been shaved off. And it's gotta do to those fat ass tabs on there because these things are pretty beefy. Man, yeah, it should go right on. So I have the bumper on, and you guys could tell it won't fit properly because I have to drill the hole out slightly larger. And this giant piece right here we'll have to shave off all the way down so it does not rub on the tire. And we should be good and mount it back up. Oh man, look like a racer. I took the bumper back off. This hole I made it larger. I don't know if you can tell, but I made sure that it's not larger than the screw that normally goes in there, the OEM one, so it fits right in there without falling through. And then the other side, slightly smaller. And I'm not using a drill, I'm actually using a circular or like file because I don't know. So I'm just sanding away. Locked it back up, this side fits perfect, nice and flush. The other side, the hole fits, but I have to trim a bit of inside here because you can see that it's gapped. So I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. It's been trimmed and everything, try to make it as nice as possible. And the bumper's finally on. I like it a lot. Now to put the wheels down, or put the wheels on, then put the car down, and then close the trunk and see what it looks like on the ground. Check this out. That looks so good. Oh my god. That wing makes it pop more. The only thing I don't like about this bumper is I think the gap right here is pretty big because on the OEM one it has like a little curve that covers all this. So that's just one thing, but besides that, exhaust is centered and everything. Wow, looks so good. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like off and on about the rear bumper, but I've been wanting this bumper for so long. Like I've been paying like Need for Speed and everything with that, and the Cwest rear bumper was always one of the best rear bumpers that I like because of the valence that's built into it or the diffuser. So that's one reason why I had to get it. And I've been wanting it for so long, so finally got it. And I like it a lot. It flows really well now. And of course we got the front bumper right here. Oh, that thing is fire. That looks so cool. Damn. Especially with the wing, like, oh my god, the profile looks perfect. Alright. So I just tried leaving my driveway, and here's the photo. That thing is on drag out of my driveway, so I am just gonna get the quick latches on so I can take off the bumper when I leave my driveway. Like, dude, that thing, oh my god, it sucks, but it's okay. But luckily the quick latches would make it a lot easier, because a while back on my spoon lip I was taking off the bolt every time, and that took longer. The quick latches, you literally just press a button and it comes off. So some time has passed and I decided to do the quick latch install. And yeah, I didn't film it because all you really have to do, figure out a spot where you want to mount it, which right here is gonna be on the headlight tab. I drilled the hole with the little thing there, drill holes in my bumper, and yeah, they're kind of big, but I'm gonna be ordering slightly smaller ones so they sit more flush. Like, they're really tiny, not these ones. So this is just for now. Luckily the hole that you have to drill is already the same size. You don't have to like adjust or anything, and I already did this side also. And it's a cool system, better than the ones that people use, like, you know, the rubber band things or whatever they're called. And it's very easy to use. What you have to do is, of course, line up your bumper first. That. Well, this one went under, and then you just have to bring it around, bring over this piece to the latch. There we go. And then all you do is push it in, just like that, and it's not going anywhere. That's it. And the same goes with what is it? The other side. Very easy. All you have to do is push it, and then just pull it. Like that, and it comes back off. The cool thing about these quick latches is I don't really need to use these, but I mean, like, look at that, look at the fitment. All the holes are lined up and everything too, and the bumper's not going to go anywhere. Now, I didn't want to do this like at first, but my driveway is so bad that I can't even get out of my driveway with this unless I like raise the hell out of my car. This is what I have to do. I mean, it takes faster than me before doing, or what is it, taking off all of those and taking off a 10mm bolt on each side. Now it's just a lot faster, and this is, yeah, and there's a way to take this off. Not everybody could do it, because like if you press it, it won't go in. There's a way to do it, and yeah, but besides that, very happy with what the bumper looks like. Bring the lid down. Oh man, that looks so good. Alright, gonna end the video with some cinematics, so don't let us, just keep doing it and enjoy these cinematics. Or enjoy this outro.